Check this out, guys. I wanted to share with you this super cool water bottle that Sidagar sent out to me. Now, this is a 32-ounce bottle or 1,000 milliliters. Let's get it out of the package here. It comes with a carrying strap too. I'll unpack that so you can take a look at it. Here we go. Look how sturdy this carrying handle is, and it's also a very beautiful design. They have tons of different designs to choose from too, so definitely go check it out because you're guaranteed to find one that you absolutely love. And check this out, a cool little freebie here that comes with it. So all of them are kind of come with a little keychain guy just like this. How cool is that you could attach and keep on your water bottle? It's so awesome. Let's check this out. So screw top here. Go ahead and take this off. And it does come with a straw, so then there are little packets in there. All right, so inside, stainless steel inside. So it's gonna stay nice and sanitary and clean. So you can not just drink water out of this, you can drink anything if you wanna put your coffee in here or whatever, you know, milkshake, your juice, whatever the case may be. You don't necessarily just have to use it for water because it is a nice stainless steel inside. And then we have a nice locking mechanism here on the spout. So we pull that down. Let's do that again. So locking mechanism here, so we pull that down and then hit the button, and then it's going to flip top like that, which is really cool. So you could drink it through this way, through the little spout right here, or you'd have, which is really cool, that you have a double option like that to drink it through the spout like that, or click it on this side. And then this is gonna pop up and you actually have like a straw. So you have two options. So when you're searching for water bottles, you don't have to go, okay, well, do I want a spout to drink from? Do I want a straw to drink from? You actually have both on this one. And then our straw here is gonna attach right here on the bottom. Slide that in, and then you have the straw. You got both options here, which is really cool. Spin this bad boy back on, wind it up that way. So there you go, straw. Lock that closed, and then on this side, unlock it, and then push our button, and then we have our little pour spout there. And it does have a little rubber stopper here, so this should be leak proof, and we're gonna test that out too. So when this locks down, that little rubber stopper is gonna seal it right there and then lock it into place. So let's go ahead and pour some water in here. So like I said, this should be leak proof, and we are gonna test that out right now. About 16 ounces of water, so that filled it halfway. Put this on, spin it into place, make sure it's secure, and does not leak. No leaks in there. So let's try this out. It works. Close it up. Now let's try the straw. And that works too. And I love how they just click and lock into place, both of them, and that it has this really nice large carrying handle that's actually like ergonomical and comfortable. Let's go ahead and check out the strap here, because on that carrying handle you have two little holes that you could attach this strap, I believe. It's actually a very well made, nice, soft strap. It's pretty impressive. So yeah, you go ahead and attach this to your water bottle, and then you can take it, just throw it over your shoulder, and then carry it around with you so that you don't have to carry it around in your hand, which is really nice. And so then you got two little charms here to clip on, which is really cool. So, and they really thought about everything when it comes to the design. Not only did they create a really nice water bottle, and I'm just noticing this too, it does have a rubber grip on the bottom, so you can't knock it over or slide around very easy. But yeah, design's beautiful, functions beautiful. They really designed a really nice water bottle here. They took a water bottle and really brought it to the next level. So if you guys are looking for a new water bottle, 32 ounce, tons and tons of different designs to choose from. So I would definitely go check them out, guys.